Greetings, global neighbors. Welcome to the Genevieve. Today we are staying in this amazingly enchanting 4-star hotel with a touch of luxe, old world decor, and such an intimate setting. We're going to give you a tour of the Couture King before we go ahead and show you the rest of the hotel. So let's do it. Let the room tour begin. Okay, so the first thing we want to mention is that the ceilings in this place are really nice and tall. They've got to be at least 9 feet, and it just gives you this feeling of expansion and roominess, and we love the tall ceilings. Right off the bat, you got this incredible storage space here in the closet. Lots of shelf space, and then your typical amenities of your ironing board, 2 luggage racks. The safe is in the wall, and you got your robes, which are going to come in handy later because the bathroom here has its private jacuzzi. Another great amenity, you got this full-length mirror, and look at the beautiful decor that they have on the frame here. It's gorgeous. So, bathroom tour later. But here, a really nice sized vanity. The bathroom has plenty of space in there too, but just having this here is wonderful. Upon coming in, you've got this work desk area, so you can get anything that you want done here. They've got their Wi-Fi, deep drawers, lots of storage space, comfortable chair, another mirror, beautiful. Over here, you've got the rest of the bedroom. This is over 700 square feet of space. 3 drawers, lamp, phone. Over there, you got a beautiful table. And the bed here, really nice and soft. I think it's gonna be like sleeping in clouds tonight. We love this room. So let's continue the tour. Over here, you have another seating area to just relax. It's like a whole studio in here. You can just relax here, listen to music, read a book, contemplate anything you want. Got your coffee table. So it's just a really nice area where we might be enjoying some of those desserts that we got in one of the Solvang bakeries earlier. This is one of our favorite places. What we like about it is that you've got your own private fireplace. You can program to 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, or just turn it off. We had that going a little bit earlier. It got nice and toasty right away. Your nice big screen television and just comfortable. Just relax and unwind. So here you've got your private patio. And one of the nice things about this, aside from the space that you can just sit down, relax and everything, is that through this little exit, you actually reach the jacuzzi, which we definitely plan to make use of tonight. But now let us show you, if we're not going to be using this jacuzzi, what our private jacuzzi looks like inside. This is the bathroom that comes with the Couture King. What we love about it is that it has its private jacuzzi tub, which we will be making use of later for sure. It's got 2 areas for sitting, handle for your security. Over here you've got the nice large vanity area. Lots of things to choose from here. Just feels so nice, relaxing. This is a shower, and what a nice shower this is. Seating area here. Different type of shower heads. So you got different jets for different parts of the body, the overhead, as well as a handheld shower head. And of course, the necessary station. But it's so nice that it's in its own enclosed space. You got storage space if you're staying here for longer, and a telephone. And that concludes the bathroom tour. So after you've come here, checked in, relaxed in your private jacuzzi, and you're ready to just enjoy the rest of your room, remember that here you've got all your needs. Coffee maker, coffee by Pete's Coffee. Wine, should you so choose. You've got your red up here, as well as a chilled Sauvignon Blanc down here. We got our bakery goods here. Complimentary waters, the rest does have the price on it. So that is our tour of the Couture King. We hope you liked it. But the tour isn't over yet because after all, it's not always just about the room, but also the entire hotel, and the Genevieve certainly delivers. The grounds are as lovely as the inside, with a beautifully manicured outdoor garden and warm fire pits throughout to enjoy a relaxing or romantic evening. And just next to the garden is the Victor, offering an expansive menu and a laid-back setting. Formerly known as the Santa Ynez Inn, the Genevieve is a boutique hotel that lets you step into luxury. From the lobby to the hallways and stairways, the old-world decor abounds. You can take the elevator down to experience their on-site spa for pampering, with private massage rooms and even a sauna. They also have their library with several seating areas where you can relax and unwind. And keep in mind that in their parlor, they host a nightly wine and dessert reception, as well as their daily breakfasts, which let you choose from their buffet or from their made-to-order menu. We certainly enjoyed our time at the Genevieve and highly recommend it if you're in the area. If you found our hotel tour helpful, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which room you chose and how you enjoyed your stay at the Genevieve. And don't forget to subscribe for more of our takeoff getaway adventures. See you soon!